This is what we refer to as a point load. We're installing a steel beam in the roof, and we have to install a post to support it. But that post can't stop at the first floor. We need to add a secondary post in the basement and a new footing. The architect never had me touching these stairs or section of wall on the demo plan, but 50% of the footing is underneath the staircase, so I just assumed by looking at the prints that I would have to tear it apart. I didn't see any other way. Next is the saw cut, and I'm using an old worm drive Makita saw corded with a diamond blade, and this saw is designated just for slab cuts, and I've used it for years for that only purpose. After we saw cut it, we chip it up with a demo hammer or a chipping gun. After that, next is the rebar and a footing inspection. This is the footing detail right here. Pretty simple. So the following day, we made up a rebar detail just like the prints show. We got 4 rows of 4 half-inch rebar in a grid pattern raised up 3 inches above ground. But we didn't stop there. We went a little bit above and beyond. We anchored in rebar dowels into the existing slab with epoxy. After inspection, we were able to pour concrete that same day. We wound up framing on top of it while it was still a little green, but the structural engineer said we need 7 days of curing time before we could apply the load directly above. Right now, it's just in place. Boom.